Hey guitar nerds, Brad from Simple Guitar here. Now, if you've been strumming away at your guitar for months or even years and still feel like you're not making the progress you deserve, I got something for you today, okay? Today we're diving into the number one thing that's missing for most approaches to learning guitar, and trust me, it's a game changer. Most people dive headfirst into learning guitar by hunting for all kinds of information, right? YouTube tutorials like these, online courses, books, sometimes teachers, right? They're all about how to play this chord or master that scale, right? And hey, information is great. It's a starting point. It's what we need. But there's a brutal truth. Information alone won't make you a better guitarist. And that's because there's something missing. And that thing is training. So think about it like this. Imagine you're learning how to drive, right? You could read every manual on the planet, watch hours of videos on steering and braking, but until you get behind the wheel and actually practice with someone guiding you through the turns and stops, you're not really driving, right? Guitar is the same. Most folks consume info and they nod along like, yeah, I get it, but then they don't put in the focused effort to train their fingers, their timing, or their muscle memory to actually do it. Even with guitar teachers, I've seen this a ton. Lessons go like this. The teacher shares some new content, answers a few questions about it, and says, okay, practice this at home for the next week. And then it's on you, right? But let's be real, life gets busy. Your motivation dips throughout the week, and a lot of us struggle through the week without nailing it correctly. Maybe you practice wrong or not enough or skip the hard parts, and then the next lesson, you show up half prepared, you get some more new stuff piled on, and the cycle repeats week after week, and before you know it, you're overwhelmed with a mountain of information and a massive gap in your actual playing skills, right? We got to close that gap between what you know and what you can do. Right? That's where training comes in. Training isn't just passive practice. It's active, guided work that builds the skills that you need to actually play. It's doing the exercises right there, getting feedback in the moment, and repeating until it sticks. It's what turns I know what to do into I can do it effortlessly. And honestly, almost no teachers incorporate real training into their lessons, whether in person, online, and especially in courses. Some do, sure, but for the majority of adult students I work with who've been stuck for years, this is the major missing ingredient. They know a lot of stuff, but they just haven't had any training to do it. So there's so much more to learning guitar than just intellectually understanding concepts or gobbling up more content. You have to be able to use it, apply it, make it second nature, right? A coach or a teacher who builds training into their program, that's the secret sauce. It makes a huge difference because you're not just learning, you're transforming your playing through deliberate, effective practice. You're really getting a lot more results per minute from your practice with training. So if this sounds familiar, if you've been stuck in your guitar journey for a long time, jumping from course to course without real progress, or even working with a teacher but seeing minimal results, I've got something special for you. I'm inviting you to join my Guitar Basics Bootcamp, which is a whole week of training, and it kicks off Monday, March 2nd, 2026, and it's designed exactly for folks like you. Okay, this is not another information dump. It's a full week of live training with me every day where we're going to drill down on the fundamental skills you need to finally do things on the guitar, not just know them, right? We're talking your chord changes, your strumming patterns, your basic rhythms, like all trained in real time so that you build confidence and capability fast. It's about 1 to 2 hours a day, depending on if you go for the VIP experience, right? But by the end of the week, you'll see a massive shift in your playing because we're focusing on training, not just teaching. Okay, now spots are filling up, so you're going to want to go to simpleguitar.com/bootcamp and grab your spot. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start playing guitar the way you've always wanted, this is your chance. Let's make it happen. So thanks for watching today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And then don't forget to head over to simpleguitar.com/bootcamp to get your spot for the Guitar Basics Bootcamp. And I will see you in there when we kick off on Monday.